Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make restaurant style butter chicken or Murg Makhni. It's a North Indian chicken delicacy. Chicken is cooked in creamy tomato and onion sauce. It tastes heavenly. Butter chicken is very popular and delicious chicken curry loved by all. I'll be showing you a very detailed video how to make butter chicken for better understanding. So let's get started. For making butter chicken, I have taken 1 kg of chicken. You can take boneless also. Half a cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri lal chili powder. Kashmiri lal chili powder is very mild, but it gives deep red color to the gravy. That's why I have added 2 teaspoons. So now we will add curd, salt and chili powder to the chicken. I whisked curd a bit. Mix it nicely and keep it for marination for half an hour. So let's move to the curry part. So I have taken all these things. I'll be showing you one by one. Onions 3 sliced, 2 chopped tomatoes, half a cup of cooking oil, any cooking oil of your choice, handful of green fresh coriander, half a cup of cream, fresh cream, 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of dry roasted kasuri methi, 10 to 15 cashews, 1 teaspoon of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So here again I am adding the normal chili powder because they are spicy, so they will add the spice to our gravy. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 heap teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 4 green cardamoms. So in a pan I have taken half of the oil and 1 teaspoon of butter, and I'll add those 4 green cardamoms to it. Saute them and then add onions. So keep onions on low to medium flame till they turn soft. Once they are soft, we will add tomatoes to it and mix them and add cashews and all the other spices, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and ginger garlic paste. Mix them and cover it and let it cook for some time till it turns soft. So here they have turned soft. We will add green coriander at this stage and let it cook for some more time till oil comes on the surface. So here you can see they are cooked nicely. We will turn off the flame, keep it aside, let it cool and then blend it to a smooth paste. So coming back to our chicken, in a pan I have taken the remaining oil and add chicken to it and then keep it on low flame. Now after 10 minutes it has released lot of water, so I'll keep it on high flame till it turns to this, and we can see some grill marks have come on the chicken. Meanwhile I have blended onion and tomatoes. Blended onion and tomato paste to the chicken. I put a little bit of water in my mixer jar because there was a lot of mixture still there. Now we will add kasuri methi to it. Mix it nicely and then add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. We will be adding all the ingredients step by step. Mix it and then add fresh cream. Mix and then add 1 teaspoon of butter and let it cook for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes the oil and butter has started to come on the surface. So here our mouth-watering butter chicken is ready. You can add water if you want more gravy, and you can check gravy accordingly. It's soft also, so I'll dish it out. Garnish it with coriander and butter cube and serve it hot with rice or roti. Butter chicken is very popular and unique tasting dish. It's flavor packed, creamy and spicy. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.